Give you just a very quick intro then as to who we are. So, why are we leading this course? Who are we? And so we are Joshua and Christy. We are the founders of MarketerTribe, and we have been in the online marketing game for nearly a decade now. It has been quite a while. My personal background is that I was a spy and I didn't like it. The kind of corporate world 9-to-5 life was not for me. So gave that up, discovered online marketing, and now I'm a sales funnel strategist. And once Joshua and I really got into online marketing and creating that freedom in our lives, we sold our home in San Diego so that we could be digital nomads. And you can see just from the pictures around the side that we have put a lot of time and money into investing in our education and attending mastermind events and, meeting and connecting with some of the top people out there, affiliate marketers, app builders, Kevin Harrington, who's like the father of infomercials, right? You can see Jabril there. He is the man for Facebook ads. We really work to invest in ourselves, to educate, to grow, and, to make sure that we're always stepping up our game. And so that's what we're bringing to you then. And, just as a little side note, we love that we get to work together. Ever since Joshua and I were dating, even before we were married, we knew that we wanted to work together, and we really didn't know how that was going to play out at all. We come from different backgrounds. I'm an English and Spanish major. He's a visual arts and film and video major. And, at the time we didn't know anything about online marketing. So, it kind of seemed like this far off dream that we would ever get to work together, but now we do. And our strengths and our weaknesses really complement each other, and we work well together, and it's just so much fun. We love getting to do MarketerTribe and being able to work together. So we're bringing that joy and enthusiasm and passion to everything that we do then. And our mission is to cut through the chaos and the overwhelm that are online, to give entrepreneurs like you clarity, because I know it is, especially when you're just getting started, and really even after that, there's so many people out there clamoring for your attention and telling you what you should do, and all the gurus and everybody on social media, and it's hard to know who to trust and what do you listen to. And so we want to just cut through all of that, get back to the basics, help you really lay a solid foundation for your business, and give you step-by-step strategies that you can work through so that you can grow your business using proven, established marketing techniques. And so we really want to empower you to launch your big idea and grow a successful online business. And we think that you can especially do that by using high converting sales funnels and time-saving growth hacks. And, I mentioned that we sold our house in San Diego so we could travel and be digital nomads, and we actually do that as a family. So you can see pictures of us with our girls in Thailand, spending a day at an elephant sanctuary, and in Monaco and Bali, then Malaysia and Paris and Israel. We've gotten to travel all over with them, and it's been such a blast and so cool to give them that global education. And so again, we love that we've gotten to have that freedom in those adventures, and we want to help you achieve that in your life as well. And on one last note here, we have built several hundred funnels now for clients on Fiverr. These are some of our testimonials from satisfied clients. And, just to let you know, I've lived and breathed funnels for the last few years now, creating strategies, actually building the funnels. And I'm really excited then to be going through this course with you.